In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add link to image in Constant Contact. Adding a link to an image is a simple way to make your email more interactive. Instead of relying only on text links, you can turn a logo, banner, product photo, or button-style graphic into a clickable path that takes readers directly to a page you choose. This is especially useful when you want people to visit a specific offer, sign-up page, or article. To begin, open the email you are working on in the Constant Contact editor. Make sure you are in the editing view where you can click directly into content blocks and adjust elements on the page. It helps to take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct email draft, since changes apply to the version you are currently viewing. Next, click once on the image you want to link. When you select the image, you should see an image toolbar appear. This toolbar includes several quick actions for editing and formatting. If you do not see the toolbar right away, click directly on the image again to ensure it is selected, not the surrounding section. Now, look for the Add Link icon on that image toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click that icon to open the linking options for the image. This is the tool that tells Constant Contact where the image should send people when they click it. After the link options open, select Web Page from the drop-down menu. This setting is used when you want the image to link out to a standard website address, such as a page on your site, a blog post, or a landing page. Then paste your URL into the field provided. For best results, copy and paste the full web address so it is accurate. Take a second to check for extra spaces at the beginning or end, because even a small typo can prevent the link from working correctly. Finally, click Insert. Once you insert the link, the image is now clickable in your email. It is a good habit to preview your email afterward and test the image link to confirm it opens the correct page. And that is all there is to it.